Hi, this is your intimacy coach, Nora White. Today, I want to tell you why I believe affirmations don't work and how to make them work. Here is the kicker. You simply cannot BS thyself. When people struggle with affirmations, it's typically because a part of their psyche cannot quite believe what they are affirming. They're trying to convince themselves of something that just doesn't feel true. It feels forced. For instance, they might affirm, I am good enough. And even though they are repeating, I am good enough in the mirror every morning, if a part of them is resisting that statement, it just won't work. So in this video, I'll guide a short exercise to first uncover a limiting belief and then gently, gradually shift it into a slightly more supportive one that feels true, not some BS that you can't possibly relate to. Okay, so if that feels comfortable for you, you can close down the eyes and take a slow, deep inhale in through the nose. Hold it for a moment and then release. Let your body soften as you exhale. As you breathe in, consider an area of your life where you feel either limited or stuck, blocked. Could you ask yourself, what belief might be holding me back here? And try to name it as an I am belief. I am not good enough, for instance. And could you allow yourself to feel where this belief sits in your body? Maybe it shows up as a tension or a heaviness. Simply notice it. Be with it and hold space for a moment. We are not trying to force the tension away, just holding space. And with your next inhale, gently loosening the body and the belief. With each exhale, softening the body and the belief. Could you soften the belief with something as simple as, I feel as if I am not good enough? A very subtle nuance, but which makes the world of a difference. And then the next degree is to add another nuance, such as at times. At times, I feel as if I might not be good enough. And here's for a third nuance, adding a part of me. So now you got, at times, a part of me feels as if I might not be good enough. And see, you can try different combinations and see which most supportive belief rings true to you. You want to spend time to feel into them. And when they feel true, then you can gradually start to flip the belief. I'll give you an example. Now you go with, there are times when a part of me feels as if I might just be good enough. This is the trick, and it has been a pleasure for me to share it with you today.